There are two tools to create lines in AutoCAD, line and polyline. Let's start with line. For line, L spacebar. Now pick a start point by clicking on model space. Now click anywhere else to create the line. You can see the line tool is still activated. To escape line tool, hit escape. Now you have created a line. Let's try again. L spacebar, pick a start point, click anywhere to create a line. Now you can keep clicking to keep creating lines. I'm going to click here and here and here. Now once you are done, you can hit escape. One thing to note is this line is not a continuous line. These are different line segments. You can see once you select each line. You can create a continuous line in AutoCAD using Polyline tools. For Polyline, PL spacebar. Now click anywhere and click for an endpoint. Now you have created a polyline. You can keep clicking to create continuous line. Once you are done, you can hit escape. Now once you select the polyline, you can see that it's a continuous line, not a separate segments. Whether you're using line tool or polyline tool, there are some common functions for both tools. I personally prefer polyline, so I'm going to use polyline in the next steps. You can still do these things with the line tool. For polyline, PL spacebar. Now let's see how we can create a straight line using polyline. You can see by default it's not straight. To lock the line in a single axis, you can use F8. F8 will activate the ortho mode. Now the line will be locked to a single axis. In this case, it's the x-axis, and if you drag the line down, it will lock in y-axis. Let's do that. I'm going to drag the line down. You can see that now it's locked in y-axis. You can only draw in either x or y-axis when you are in ortho mode. Now to draw the line in a specific distance, we can enter the distance here. To draw a line with 5000 mm distance, you can enter 5000 here and hit enter. Now you have created a 5000 mm line.